Kahan is played in standard tuning with a capo on the 2nd fret. I'm going to start off with an E major chord, and we're going to strum down, down, up, down. Okay, so down, down, up, down. I'm going to grab the 4th fret with the pinky finger here on the A string, relative to capo, and the 2nd fret on the D string with the 2nd finger. This gives us like a C sharp over E chord relative to capo. Sometimes you will see Noah play this live with the 3rd finger, which is actually a really difficult stretch. I tend to play it with the pinky finger. Same rhythm. Down, down, up, down, up. Then we're going to take the pinky finger off and just go to the open A string. Same rhythm. Down, down, up, down. So like an E over A chord. We'll go back to the E major chord again. Down, down, up, down, down. So the same rhythm throughout the verse. So we've got the E, C sharp, open A, E, E, C sharp, A, E. That just repeats. Every time we finish the verse, we stay on this E over A chord, and we're going to sit on that until we go into the bridge. So we'd have the E, C sharp over E, then A over E, and we'll just stay on there instead of going back to the E. So there are a few different versions of the bridge depending on which version of the song you listen to. I'm a big Sam Fender song, so I've been listening to the Noah Kahan and Sam Fender version, so I'm going to specifically talk about that here, but we'll also mention the other ways of playing it too. So for this version, we have an E for 3 bars. I'm going to play down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, one more time. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Then we're going to go to that C sharp over E chord with that stretch with the pinky up to the 4th fret there on the A string, and we're just going to play down, 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 up. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're then going to go to an A major 7 chord, which is essentially the same as that E over A chord we played earlier, but we're just going to add the 3rd finger to the 2nd fret of the B string there. I'm going to stay on this for 4 bars. It's the same rhythm as the E, so down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, and then we finish it off down, 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 and then back through. So E, C sharp over E to the A major 7. One more time. In some of the live versions, you'll see Noah playing this chord progression in the link. It's much trickier to play. It starts off with the E to start the same. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, down. We're then going to grab the 4th fret on the A string relative to capo with our 3rd finger, so it's a huge stretch. Down, up, at the pinky finger on the 4th fret of the D string. Down, up, down, up. Then we're going to take the 3rd finger off, and we're going to play down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then we're going to take the pinky finger off, and we get back to our E over A. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And that's the whole bridge. So E. Stretch up with the 3rd finger, pinky finger, 3rd finger off, pinky finger off. For the chorus, we're going to start off with this E major shape again. We've got a very, very slightly different rhythm for this. It's down, 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 and then to a C sharp minor shape relative to capo. Down, 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 up. B5, so 2nd fret on the A, 4th fret on the D, 4th fret on the G. Same rhythm, down, 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 up, and then to an A major 7 chord again. Down, 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 up. The 2nd time through is the same chord. We're just going to strum it slightly differently. E's the same, down, 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 up, down, up. C minor's the same, down, 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 up, down, up. For the B5, it's just down, down, rest, and then we go to A major 7, down, down, mute, 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 mute. So we have the left hand resting gently on the strings here, and we just strum as normal. So we have E, the C sharp minor shape, B5, A, and then through the third time the same, E, C sharp minor, B5. I'm just going to sit on the A major 7 until we go through the chorus ending. And the whole chorus so far slowly is E, C sharp minor, B5, A major 7, E, C sharp, B, A, E. And then into the chorus ending we have the C sharp minor shape, down, down, up, B5 shape, down, down, up, E, down, down, and then a single strum of A, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then we just repeat from there.